Okay everybody, and welcome back to Noah's Adventures on Legacy Farm. I haven't done a bird photography video in forever, and so I decided it's about time to do one when this happened. We're supposed to get like 1 to 3 inches of snow today. Then it turns nasty. It's supposed to be turned to freezing rain for like 5 hours. And then it rains all night, so I wanted to get out here and do some bird photography and bring y'all with me. This is gonna be fun. Here's my pond. Looks like right now there's nothing to it really. It's buried in snow. I got my blind. That's where I'm gonna be next hour or so. It's like noon right now, but I had a snack, so I should be okay. Let's take a peek in here. It's very snowy, so I think I'm gonna take some of the snow out real fast. I have a shovel right here. I forgot to get my my actual snow shovel, but this will work fine. I'm gonna throw it over here in the corner, just so my feet aren't frozen. There we go. Should be good. Now let's bring the camera bag in, and we'll set it right on this chair. And we'll open this front window, and now close the door. That door, so I have some light. There's a bunch of snow out there. Whew, look at that. That's nice. So yeah, let me get a little bit more set up and I'll bring you back in a bit. Having to close this window almost the whole way because the snow started to blow, and I just need to be able to see out a little bit and see what's over there. There's some birds. Sweet. So let's do it most of the way just so I have enough room to peek out. Look at the camera. Dang, that is crazy. It snowed so hard. Oh, yeah, enough talking, let's get this photography. The first bird is a cardinal on the platform feeder. There he is. Nice. It's a male. He's pretty. I need some juncos to come in because they really look cool in the snow. Might have a tough time focusing. There it goes. But he's really pretty. Camera can't figure out what to focus on. The snow or the bird. some juncos up in the tree. The chickadee. Let's find a junco. So we got a bunch of juncos in the snow on the ground. Oh, it's perfect. Whoa, they're so cute. Dang. Oh. He's trying to go under. Where is he? Oh, stop going so fast. They hop so fast. So cool, the little cedar trees I put in there. They're really liking them. They'll hide under them. Dang, I can't keep up with the thing. Oh, he's pretty. Oh, dang. Oh, there's a dove right there. Okay, I was scared. It's right there. There's everything right now. Dang, this is awesome. It's been way too long since I've done this. My camera is completely covered in snow. A dove just came. He's very skittish. That's funny. He's right there behind me. Oh, I shot all this. That is all snow. I need to push it. So I can see what's out there. That dove. That's cool. I hope he comes back here. So yeah, I'll just keep doing photography. I might not just bring him back from every bird I see, but if something cool comes in, I'll show you. Let's see if that's what it's really pretty. Focus, what is it doing? Delay, on, like those sparrows. I'm not 100% sure what kind it is, but it's a sparrow. Oh, look. There's the bear chasing away a cardinal. Everybody get a picture of that. That'd be cool. Okay, there's a starling. Oh wait, it's covered. Oh, there it is. That's cool. The snow's really let out. Something about fish wrapping up here. Oh, the birds have kind of slowed down. Oh, so I think I'm gonna bring this camera in. Okay, gracious. I have to dry this thing off. I'm gonna go back in. Look at that. It is full of snow. It's even frozen there. That's okay though. It can hold up to that. It'll be fine. Is it done? There's a ton of birds out there. But yeah, this was really fun. I'll put all the pictures and stuff. The tubbin is right there. And it's gone. Yeah, this was really fun. But sorry, it's like 2:30 and I'm hungry, so yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed. I'm gonna pack up. I'm back inside. But yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and stay tuned for more videos. So yeah, thanks for watching. Till next time, goodbye.